Welcome to Raghava Creation Max is Easy. Do subscribe our channel to learn Max in an easy and interesting way. Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn about statistics, which is chapter 5 in term 1, and exercise 5.1 we are going to learn about tally marks. So what is this tally marks? Tally marks are a quick way of keeping track of numbers in groups of 5. So in your small classes, standard 1 and 2, you would have learned the bundles by drawing sticks, or each bundle represents 10. Here, each bundle represents 5. One vertical line is made for each of the first 4 numbers. The fifth number is represented by a diagonal line across the 4 previous lines, or you can strike out these 4 lines. How to draw tally marks? The occurrence of each information is marked by a vertical line. So 1, for 2 it is 2, 3 it is 3 lines, and 4 it is 4 lines. So the fifth line will be a cross over it. So it makes a bundle. Then the 6 again goes 1 line extra, 5 and 2, 8 is 5 and 3, 9 is 5 and 4, and 10 is again 2 bundles. So this is how you mark the tallies. Count the objects below and prepare a table. So this is an example for you. So here you have mangoes, strawberries, orange, cherries, and pineapple. So we are going to count mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 mangoes are there. So 4 tally is drawn. Strawberries are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries are there. Cherries are 2. Pineapple is 1. And you have 3 oranges. So this is how you draw your tally and then write the number of objects. And this number of objects, you call it as frequency, the number of time each data occurs. So let's move into exercise 5.1, fill in the blanks. The collected information is called as data. The information that you collect is called as data. So here data is of two types, primary and secondary. The data that you collected directly by yourself is called as primary data, and you collect from somebody else. So somebody has already collected it and you get the information from them. You call it as secondary data. For example, the rate of gold, the price of gold, you go check the internet. That is already collected by someone and that gives you. So that is called as secondary information. In school, you are asked to stand in the height order or count the number of children in each house or in each group. You do it personally. That is called as primary data. So here they are asking you to give you an example of primary data. So an example is list of absentees in a class, because the teacher takes the attendance and she finds out the number of absentees. So it is an example of primary data. An example of secondary data. Cricket score gathered from a website. So when you see the cricket match, when you see the score, that is different. When you want to know what was the score of yesterday's cricket match or what has happened in the morning, you get the score from a website, which is called as a secondary data. The tally marks for number 7 in the standard form is you draw a bundle for 5 and extra 1, 2 for 7. Vijay threw a die 30 times and down the results each time as follows. Prepare a table on the numbers shown using tally marks. So you have all these numbers. So let's draw the table. So you have the least number as 1 and the highest number is 6. So let's draw the table. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the total they say 30. So after drawing the tally, let's check whether the total is 30. Let's start drawing the tally. First is number 1. So you draw a tally mark 1 for 1. Then 4, you draw a tally for 4. Then you have 3. So you draw a tally mark for 3. 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2. Now for 5, already 4 strokes are there. So again for the next 5, it will be the line across. So fifth stroke is here. So this is a bundle which is formed. Now let's continue. The next number is 4, 6, 5. So after the bundle, again another line starts. Again 5. Now 6 completes a bundle. Then again 6, 4 completes a bundle. 5, 6, 6, 1, 4, 2, 5, 1. So we have completed drawing the tally. Let's count and write the frequency. So by looking at itself, you know that the first number 1 appears 3 times, number 2 twice, 3 again 2 times, 4 appears 5 and 1 6, 5 appears 5 and 4 9, and 6 appears 8 times. So when you add up the total, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22, and 22 plus 8 is 30. So Vijay threw a die 30 times. So our tally table is ready. Let's see another one. The following list tells colors of the 5 students. Prepare a table using tally marks. So you have the different colors. The table will have red, blue, white, gray, green, and total. And they are saying for 30 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. So 25 students. So let's see whether our total is 25. So let's start drawing the tally for red, blue, white, and as goes on. So for red you have 4, blue you have 6, white 2, gray 7, green 6. So the frequency is also recorded and the total is 25. So your tally table is completed. The following are the marks obtained by 30 students in a class test out of 20 in mathematics subjects. Prepare a table using tally marks. So your marks is from 11 to 20. So what is the marks scored by the children is recorded as a tally. So the frequency is 2, 5, 4, 4, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1 and 1, and total is for 30 students. The table shows the number of record by fire service station in 1 year. Complete the table and answer the following questions. So let's complete the table first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 6. The frequency is 6. Next you have 5, 10 and the 1, so 11. Let's draw the tally for 7 frequency. Then the next frequency is 4, so let's draw the tally for it. Then you have 5 and 2, 7. Let's count and get the total. So you have 6 plus 11, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 7, 35. Which type of call was recorded the most? So by looking at the frequency, you know which type of the call is recorded the most. The other fires. Which type of calls were recorded the least? So 4 is the least number. So rescues. How many calls were recorded in all? So total number of calls is 35. So you add all and get 35. How many calls were recorded for false alarm? So false alarm, 7 calls were recorded. So now we'll move on to the objectives. The tally mark for the number 7 in standard form is, so surely not the number, not the boxes, and not a line through completely. So you have a bundle and 2. So this is the answer for this question. The tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 represents the number count 9. And there we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Raghava Creations. Maths is easy. For more videos, kindly check the description box. Thank you.